4 in the morning. It's very, very noisy. The wind, this tent has been flapping all over the place. Taking a good beating though, so it stayed upright so far. Staying up here anyway. Just reporting in. It's getting quite wet out there now. 6 o'clock in the morning. Where did those 2 hours go? Just slept. Oh, I could probably sleep for another 2. I would like to get up early and get back. I suppose I'll have to get wrecked in a minute. Hashtag toilet habits. Well, completely dry in here. It's been raining. No water in here. Everything's over this one side, and you get this big empty side here. Doesn't let that happen. It was a noisy old night. I think I'm going to have a coffee chop. I think he's still over there. Are you alive, Nath? Huh? Hey? Huh? Are you alive? Surviving? I just twatted. Yeah, the coffee didn't mix in very well. Well, I might start breaking everything down. Nate's up, but he ain't made a coffee or nothing yet. He sounds grumpy. Did you have a good night? No. Dear old boy. I must say, I think I prefer a tent to a tarp. Being inside, it's flapping about, but it's dry. There's no weather coming in, no creatures or critters coming in. Oh. I might just lie down for another 10 minutes.
Morning, YouTube. Well, that was a horrendous night's sleep, if I'm honest. I sometimes wake up wondering why it is that I keep coming back or letting Trev persuade me or convincing myself that going back and doing another wild camp's a good idea. You know, you might think I'm a little bit on the miserable side, and maybe I am, but there was nothing pleasurable about sleeping in here last night. It was so f***ing noisy. But there you go. Would have been fine if it was just a little bit quieter. I had a really panicky dream about Tesco's moving. My local Tesco's store was moving, and I was trying to walk out the Tesco store because the shelves were empty. They didn't have what I wanted, and security started checking me, trying to accuse me of stealing stuff. Really weird dream. Anyway, it's approaching 7 AM on Sunday morning. Got my stove going. Expedition breakfasts. Quite excited about that. Then I'm going to have a coffee. And then we can have a look at packing this up and getting out of here.
It's windy. Wet. to Windy Wild camp after all. It's about 6:30 in the morning. I'm stood up on the top. Oh, it's proper windy here. I should have set my tent up here. I ain't staying up here for long. Sod that. How's your ex-bed?
Yeah, I like
Ex-bed
it.
breakfast.
I really enjoy it. I don't know why you don't like it.
I didn't like the consistency.
It's like warm muesli.
It was like soggy vomit.
Yeah, I remember you saying, although you reminded me of it now isn't helping my enjoyment of it, but you know, it's
All right in here then, was it?
noisy.
Dry. Was noisy, wasn't it? Flappy on that, or none?
Earplugs, mate, I'm telling you, earplugs is the way forward.
Yeah. You got some?
I never bring them. I always mention it, but I never bring them because I'm useless. I bought some massive ear defenders for using a Kangol at home. I should have bought those. You can't hear all.
Hey?
Exactly.
Right, I'll go and sit in my tent, wait for you to prepare. By the time you're ready to start packing up all your innards, I'm just going to rip my tent down.
Alright, I'll catch you in a sec.
Catch a goo-goo.
Catch you, goo.
Pack most of my rubbish away now. I'm getting ready for the quick move out of here. Missed me jet boil. Try and fit that in there now. Well, packed all my bag up. There's plenty of room inside the Naturehike to do that, but I'm not looking forward to ripping it down out there in this drizzly close rain. It gets everywhere, and then trying to fit it back into its 3 little sacks. So we'll see how that goes. Not the the greatest guidelines, but due to my own erection. But stayed up, it stayed dry. The inner is just touching there, look. There was a little bit of moisture coming through. This side looks much better. You know what I miss about the Banshee, that I won't be able to do this, is taking it down when it's raining. You can just take the poles out, leave the inner and outer skin together, and fold it all up, put it in your bag, in your stuff sack. I like them. The next time you put it up, it's raining, put it up inside the outer so it doesn't get wet. Won't be able to do that with this because the inner clips to the poles. You've got to take the outer off to get the poles off. So that's a downside of it. Well, there you go. Packed within 5 minutes, I'd say, wouldn't you, Nath? Didn't take long. Went in that bag all right. I folded everything in together. It's all a bit wet. It's going to need drying out, but that's camping in the UK. Yeah, so it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, trying to pack that up. It all fit nicely together. I rolled it all together, put the pegs in the bag with the poles, put the poles in the middle, and then wrapped the tent around it. Shoved it in. It's a bit sort of misshapen, but it's in there. The bag was quite giving, actually. So again, left no trace. Nath's almost packed. Then the stroll back in this mizzle, back to the car. And getting off of Dartmoor. It's got to be in this direction.
Let's get in this direction.
Misdirection.
Misdirection.
Can't see where we've been. Can't see where we're going. We're looking for some trees and we want to keep them to our left.
Yeah.
I do feel we're veering a bit too right. Fangs! Can only get much better than fangs!
We're here, isn't it? More like the Dartmoor we know.
So we've done all right to get wet feet in the last 10 minutes of a 2-day expedition.
Force out.
Yeah. I wish I had thicker trousers. Right. Almost there.
Alright.
Morning.
Morning.
You alright?
Yeah.
How was that?
Miserable.
Miserable.
Yeah, I don't know what it is, man. I just never get a good night's sleep when we're camping. It doesn't matter if it's shit weather, if it's good weather.
It's called camping, I think.
Yeah, it would be nice to actually get a decent night's sleep though, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Hell of a flappy, wasn't it?
It was flappy. and I had some strange dreams. Good fun though. It was dry until the walk back.
Yeah, and being that was only a 10-minute walk, it's really nothing to complain about, is it?
No. So overall, happy with the nature hike, I must say.
Yeah.
It was alright for the first night. Stayed up.
Loads of space.
Loads of space. Loads of space in there. Wasn't too bad to pack up.
Yeah, that went down quick. That's the quickest I've ever seen you pack up anything, I think, which says a lot.
You still enjoying your tarping?
Yeah, I did say on the camera last night I'm contemplating getting the DD Hammock one-man tent. I think if I've got a one-man tent with a ground sheet, I might be tempted to try one of these inflatable roll mats, which might give me a better night's sleep. If I can get to a point where I'm having a reasonable night's sleep, I won't be so anti-camping. Maybe I won't moan about going home, wanting to go home as much. My arm's getting tired.
Yeah, well, I think we've said all we need to say. So thank you ever so much for watching. That was our Dartmoor hike and wild camp. More 365 squares to tick off. Look at this. Amazing, isn't it?
We're going to nail 365 before we're 50.
Hey, we might. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like,
Comment,
subscribe,
and share the out of us.
Yeah. Nath. Arrivederci.
See you again.